How are you all, dear students? I hope you all are fine and doing well at home. Again, it's time for maths lecture. So, students, let us begin. In our last lecture, we started new chapter number 4, multiplication. And let us revise what is multiplication. Multiplication is repeated addition of the same number for required time. Okay, and multiplier, multiplicand and product, these are the terms used in multiplication. Okay students, so let's solve some question based on whatever we had learned in last lecture. So today we are going to deal with exercise 4.1. Today we are going to deal with exercise 4.1. So let's start question number 1. Write the following multiplication as repeated addition. So we know multiplication is repeated addition and we learn how to write multiplication in the form of repeated addition and repeated addition in the form of multiplication. So let's try some questions, dear students. Question number 1 of the exercise 4.1. Write the following. First of all, we will write the question. Write the following multiplication as repeated addition. Part A, 2 into 3 is equals to 2 into 3. So this is times, we had learned 2 times 3. 2 times 3. So 1 and 2. 1 and 2. 2 times 3. See, we had written 2 times 3. So very simple it is. Now let me write properly. 2 into 3, it means 2 times 3. Part B, 3 into 5. 3 into 5. 3 into 5 means 3 times 5. 3 into 5 means 3 times 5. This is times and this is number in each group. We had learned yesterday. In last lecture, this is times and this is number in each group. Okay, so 3 times 5. So 1, 2 and 3. 3 times 5. Now the next part C. 3 into 4. Now 3 times 4. 3 times 4. So 1, 2 and 3. 3 times 4. 3 into 4 means 3 times 4. So 1, 2 and 3. 3 times 4 we had written in the form of repeated addition. Question is asking us to write the following multiplications. Yeah, these are the multiplication sentences. Write the following multiplication as repeated addition. So we are writing these multiplication sentences in the form of repeated addition. Question D, 4 into 7. 4 into 7 means 4 times 7. 4 times 7. So 1 time plus 2 time plus 3 time and 4 time. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times 7. 4 into 7. Now, part E. 5 into 6. 5 into 6. 5 times 6. 5 times 6. So, 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, 4 time, 5 time. 5 into 6. 5 times 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times 6. And the last one, part F. 2 into 8. 2 into 8 means 2 times 8. So 8 plus 8. 1 and 2. 2 times 8. So, question was asking us to write multiplication as repeated addition. So, we had written all the multiplication sentences in the form of repeated addition. This is showing, the first term is showing times and the second one is number in each group. So, it means 2 times 3, 3 times 4, 5 times 6, 3 times 5, 4 times 7, 2 times 8. Okay. Now, all of you write down this in your classwork copy. Write this down in your classwork copy. First of all, write down heading of exercise 4.1, then write the question properly and then write all these 6 questions. Write all the questions very properly. The first number shows number of times, second shows number in each group. So, I hope dear students you have written down properly question number 1. Let's move towards question number 2. Read question number 2. Yes, question number 2 is write the following repeated addition as multiplication. See, in last question what we had done? In last question we had written in the form of repeated addition. Now question is in the form of repeated addition and now we have to write multiplication sentence. So let's write the question first. Question number 2. Write the following. Write the following repeated addition Write the following repeated addition as multiplication. See, what we had done in last lecture, we just need to do its opposite. Write the following repeated addition as multiplication. So, let's start with first question, that is part A. Plus 6 plus 6. So, how many times? 1, 2, 3. How many times? 3 times. 3 times what? 3 times number 6. So, 6 plus 6 plus 6 is equals to 3 into 6. 3 times 6. Now, part B. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. So, let's count how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times. So, 4 times. 4 times what? Number 2. So, we will write 2. 4 into 2. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 is equals to 4 into 2. Part C. 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. How many times? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times. 5 times what? 5 times. Now 5 times what? 5 times number 4. So we will write 4. So 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 is equals to 5 into 4. 5 times number 4. Now the next one, part D. 7 plus 7 plus 7. So let's count how many times? 1, 2, 3. 3 times. So 3 times. 3 times what? Number 7. So let's write 7. Now the next one. 9 plus 9. 9 plus 9. Now let's count how many times? 1, 2. 2 times. So let's write 2 into. Now 2 times what? 2 times number 9. So we will write 9. So 9 plus 9 is equals to 2 into 9. The last one of the same question. Part F. 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8. Let's count how many times number 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many times? 4 times. 4 times. 4 times what? Number 8. So 4 into 8. 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8 is equals to 4 into 8. So first of all, we will count number of times. Then we will write the number. Okay students? So let's revise one more time. Let's see. 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6. How many 6s? 3, 6. 3 into 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 what? 5, 4. So 5 into 4. 9 plus 9. 1 and 2. 2 times. 2 times what? Number 9. So 2 into 9. Likewise these also. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. 4 times number 2. 1, 2, 3. 3 times. 3 times what? Number 7. So 3 into 7. Likewise 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times number 8. See how simple it is. So all of you note down the question. Write properly all the questions. So students, write properly. So I hope, dear students, you all have written down. Now read the next question. Till then I am rubbing the board. Read next question. Okay. So next question. Question number 3. Look at the picture and fill in the boxes. So let me write question first. Question number 3. Look at the pictures and fill in the boxes. Okay. So the first one, see, some groups of bananas are given there. Some groups of bananas are given there. And in each group, let's count how many bananas are there. All of you, look at your book. Question number 3, part A. Some group of bananas are given there. Now let us count how many banana in each group present. See, there are 5 bananas in each group present. All of you check in your book. Till then I am drawing. Three and 2, 5. Three. Excuse me for my drawing. And 5. 5 bananas in another group. Now the next one, third group. So 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5. 5 bananas in next group and the last group. And the another 4 bananas, 5 bananas in last group. Okay, so question is like this: blank groups of blank bananas each. So now then blank into blank is equals to blank. So this is how our question looks like. Now groups of blank bananas each. It means we have to write the information by observing the question. So number of groups. First we need to write here number of groups. So let's count how many groups. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 groups. So let's write number 4. 4 groups of blank bananas each. It means we need to write the number of bananas in each bunch. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 bananas in this bunch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again 5 bananas in the bunch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again 5 bananas. Let's check the last one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It means all the 4 groups or all 4 the bunches of bananas are having 5 bananas. So 4 groups of 5 bananas each. It means there are 4 groups and in each group 5 bananas are there. So let's write in the form of multiplication sentences. 4 times 5 or 4 into 5 is equals to how many? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So 4 into 5 is equals to 20. Or we can read it like this. 4 times 5. 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 and plus 4. 5 times 4. So 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 plus 4 is 12. 12 plus 4 is 16. And 16 plus 4 is 20. So this is how we got 20 by repeated addition or putting them together all. We counted all the bananas, they were 20, and we wrote this multiplication sentences in the form of repeated addition. Then we added all the 4s and got 20 as answer. So note this down, dear students. Note down in classwork copy properly. So 4 groups of 5 banana each means 4 into 5 is equals to 20. So there are 20 bananas in all. So I hope you have noted down the question. Let's move towards part B. All of you read part B of same question number 3. So part B. Some eggs are there. So let me draw them first. Some eggs are given there in the question. Okay. So blank groups of blank eggs each, and then after finding out this we have to write the multiplication sentence too. Okay, so Let's see the number of group first. This is one group, second group and third group. It means how many groups are there? 1, 2, 3. 3 groups are there. So we'll write 3 here. 3 groups of blank eggs each. It means now we have to find the number. We have to find the number of eggs in one group. So let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 eggs in this group. Let's count this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now 6 eggs in this group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 eggs in this group. It means all the 3 groups are having 6 eggs in each. Okay. So 3 groups of 6 eggs each. It means all the 3 groups are having 6 eggs. Now let's write 3 groups. It means 3 times. 3 times what? 3 times number 6. Okay. So 3 into 6 is equals to, we need to add 6 3 times. 6 plus 6 plus 6. 6 plus 6 plus 6. Or we can put them all together and then count. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So 3 into 6 is equals to 18. So note this down too in your classwork copy, dear students. So 3 groups of 6 eggs. 3 into 6 means 6 plus 6 and plus 6. So 6 plus 6 is 12 and 12 plus 6 is 18. So 3 into 6 is equals to 18. Okay, so I hope, dear students, you have written down the questions. Now let's move towards next question. So all of you read next question. Till then I am rubbing the board. Okay, so question number 4, multiply by skip counting. Question number 4, multiply by skip counting. Part A. These kind of questions you had done in your previous class, class 2nd, but if you forgot, don't worry, we will revise. So 2 into 5. So let us draw a number line first. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Okay, so 2 into 5. The first number shows times. Learn this thing. Okay, 2 times 5. 2 times 5. So This is 1 time 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now again we'll leave 5. We will move 5 forward and then skip 5 numbers. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 times 5 multiply by skip counting. So it means we need to skip 5 2 times. So we reach that number 10. Okay. So students, this question will remain in book only. So draw this in book only. 2 times 5. It means we will skip number 5. We will skip 5 2 times. So first we skip 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay students, so we started from here. We started from 0. We need to skip 5 2 times. So one time we skipped 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We came here. Now again we need to skip one more time because 2 times 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we reached here at number 10. So draw this in book. Draw this in book, dear students. Okay. The next question. Into 3. See, number line is already given there in the book. So all of you no need to write down these questions in your copy. You can this question number 4 will remain in book only. So let me make number line first. As we start from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and so on. Okay. So, as we always start from 0, 3 times 3. So, we will skip 3 times 3. We will skip 3 times. Okay. So, as we always start from 0, 1, 2, 3. We reached here. One time we skipped. 1, 2, 3. The second time we skipped. And 1, 2, 3. The third time we skipped. And we reached at 9. It means 9 is our answer. 3 into 3 is equals to 9. We always start from 0. 3 into 3. It means we will skip 3 times 3. So 1, 2, 3. One time skip. 1, 2, 3. Second time. And 1, 2, 3. Third time. So we skipped number 3 times. So our answer is 9. We stopped here at number 9. It means this is our answer. So do this in book. Now the next question. Next part of the same question. Part C. Into 6. 4 into 6. So 0. In the book, after 0, 2 is written there. So we can assume 1 is there between 0 to 2. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25 and so on. See, what we know is that we learn that in number line the distance between two numbers must be equal. If 0 to 2, it means the next number will be 4, not 3, because we skipped 1 here. So we will skip one number here, then we will skip one number here and then write 6. Or after 0 if we had written 10, then the next number will be 20 and after that 30 and so on. So in the book they had skipped 1, then 3, then 5, then 7, then 9. I had written all of them, all the numbers for your convenience. So this is also correct and in the book that is also correct. Okay, so let's start the question. 4 into 6. 4 times 6. We will skip 4 times number 6. So let's start from the 0. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One time. We skipped one time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Second time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Third time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Fourth time. So we skipped 6 one time, for second time, for third time and for fourth time. It means we skipped 4 times 6. So we skipped 4 times number 6. And we stopped here at 24. It means 24 is our answer. So 4 into 6 is equals to 24. Note it down quickly, dear students. So how you will write down in the book? In your book 0, then 2, then 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, yes, 20, 22, 24, 26. Number line is given like this. So after 2, 6 will come, then after 6, 12, after 12, 18 and then 24. This is how you will draw in your book. Draw it quickly, dear students. Okay, so moving toward last question of the exercise. That is part D of same question. Part B, 3 into 2. So, starting from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and so on. 3 times 2. We will skip 3 times number 2. So, starting from 0, 1, 2, 1 time, 1, 2, second time 1, 2 and for third time. See, we skipped 2 1 for one time, then for second time and then for third time. We stopped at number 6. It means 6 is our answer. So 3 times we skip number 2. So after 0, 2, then 4 and then 6. So note this down too, dear students. In your book, question number 4 will remain in book only and all the 3, first, second and third question you have to note down in your classwork copy. Okay students, so this is all for today's lecture. We will meet in next lecture. Till then students, bye bye, stay home, stay safe and keep practicing. Bye bye students.